Go ahead.
And the next one?
She's going to show you everything. This is from Grandma.
Once up on a time, there was a girl named Belle who met a beast. They became friends. With a little help, they danced. They fell in love. Oh, I saw the page! There's 2 pages.
No, it wasn't.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't, buddy.
And you get to see them all on stage.
You guys get to go see.
Beauty and the Beast,
Shanahan Theater.
Shanahan Theater.
You guys get to go see Beauty and the Beast up on stage.
Yay! And we can go out there?
No, we don't get to go on the stage.
No,
We
you-
just get to see them. So